And that bacon sits beautifully on top of the baked eggs and that hash brown underneath, and you can see why the best breakfasts in the world are always in America. This is an all-American superhero of a breakfast. Eggs baked in hash browns with glazed bacon.
Good morning, guys. This is G and welcome to G Cucina. I just woke up and today I'm just gonna prepare for breakfast, and I'm gonna try Gordon Ramsay's American breakfast recipe of a hash brown with eggs and bacon. He said it's quick and simple, and to only find out if it's really true or not, let's try that today, and let's do it now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Of a great hash brown are the potatoes. I prefer using really nice, waxy potatoes. They cook better, but more importantly, hold themselves together. We're not going to slice the onion or the potatoes, we're actually going to grate them. The potatoes get really nice and crispy.
Don't hurt yourself.
I mean, seriously crispy. Now, the onion. That way you get that nice balance of that onion flavour running through every little shard of potato.
Oh, my eyes are starting.
Season with salt, pepper, olive oil, and cayenne. Give that a really good mix through. And then squeeze all that water out. And look at all that juice we squeezed out of there. Really important. The more liquid you remove, the crispier your hash browns will be. Nice large pan, put that on. Once the pan's hot, pour in a good glug of olive oil. That sound confirms how important it is to have your pan nice and hot, so it seals the grated potato and onion together. I'm going to use the hash brown as a bed for my baked eggs. Crack in your eggs nice and gently. Just a little sprinkling of the cayenne to make the eggs a little bit spicy. Then into a preheated oven for 6 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, onto my bacon, and I'm giving it a classic American twist. Now, one thing I could never get my head around when I first started eating lots of American breakfast was the sweetness from the bacon. I've grown up to love that combination of smoky sweet flavours, and it's so easy. Pan on and simply heat olive oil, brown sugar, salt and pepper, and butter. Bacon in, and as it cooks, it becomes irresistibly caramelised and golden brown. Turn off the gas, and my glazed bacon is absolutely ready. Beautiful. Now, my hash browns and baked eggs are ready. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Just put your spatula underneath there, onto your plate. And that bacon sits beautifully on top of the baked eggs and that hash brown underneath, and you can see why the best breakfasts in the world are always in America. This is an all-American superhero of a breakfast. Eggs baked in hash browns with glazed bacon.
And so here it is, my hash browns with baked eggs and glazed bacon. It looks really good and I like the smell of it. Gordon Ramsay, I think this is really good. You think this is quick and easy? I think it's not too quick, especially onions, because that made me cry a little. Onions, it's not that easy for me. So you're really good at that, Gordon Ramsay. And also, since we're eating bacon and hash browns and eggs, I thought I should add up some of my salads. So some greens and avocado and some nuts. So I'm ready for my breakfast. Thank you for watching, and I hope you also get to try this at home. I really like it. It's not that hard as well. It's doable. And so thank you for watching. Bye.